In the heart of a green forest lived a cheerful little boy named Baby Echo.
What was that sound? A deep, rumbling voice came from the dark forest.
Grrr! Who enters my forest?
I'm Baby Echo. I love trees and animals.
Echo didn't run away.
Oh no, the water is dirty.
Humans did this. They don't care.
Not all humans. I'll clean it. What happened to this tree?
People cut the roots for fun.
We'll save it. Watch me. Thank you, my little friend. Always protect nature. You're small but strong. Together, we're super strong. You taught me kindness. And you taught me courage. Don't be scared. He's my friend. Hello, little ones. Each tree we plant gives us air to breathe and makes the earth happy. Look, nature is smiling. So am I. Together they made the world greener and kinder. Wow, this flower smells like sunshine.
Who's that human child in my forest?
Who's there? I can hear you. Just the wind. Monster?
I'm not scary. I'm just, big.
Oh, you look funny, not scary.
Thank you,
Thank you, I think. Do you live here alone?
Yes, I keep the forest clean and quiet.
The forest cries when we litter.
Oh, no.
I'll pick it up right now. Who left all this garbage?
Humans who forgot to care.
You're small but strong.
Teamwork makes it fun.
Teamwork makes it fun. Let's fix it together.
Now that's the spirit of eco.
Look, it's a bottle tree. Ha!
The forest loves new friends.
Rain! Rain is good. It washes the earth. Wow! A rainbow!
That's nature's smile, Eco.
Oh no! The tree fell!
Let's plant a new one.
This is hard work! Hard work grows thick.
Hard work grows good things.
Grow strong, little tree. We'll visit you every day. Splash, splash! This is fun! See? Nature plays with us.
Do you feel the forest breathe?
Yes, it feels alive. Tickles!
Even butterflies like kind hearts.
What's wrong, little bird? My nest fell down. Thank you, friends. You're welcome, tiny singers. Careful, gentle hands.
There, all safe again.
Yeah! Bless you.
That was a tree quack.
Sorry, forest pollen. This could hurt the fish. Let's clean it carefully.
Let's clean it carefully.
It's getting dark.
Night is the forest's blanket.
Thank you. We can swim again. Be safe, little fins. Wow! Glowing stars on Earth.
Nature always shines.
Monster, you're my best friend.
And you're my little hero.
Good night, helpers. Good night, Owl. Good morning, Monster.
Rise and shine, forest hero.
What's that dark cloud?
Oh no! Someone's burning trash!
Today was a big day.
Sleep under my leaf tent.
You can make soil instead of smoke.
Wow! I'll do that!
That's bad for the air.
I didn't know. I'll stop.
One tree for me, one for you. Soon the forest will sing again. Thank you, baby Eco.
We're all Earth heroes.
Take this, Cand.
A glowing leaf!
Wow. What's it for? It glows when you do good things. Then it will shine every day. We look happy because kindness shows. 2 rainbows. Twice the joy. Rain again?
The sky is just singing.
Let's wait that. They're working hard.
Respect all life, big or small.
Cozy and dry.
Nature gives us everything we need.
Don't be scared.
Bees make our world sweet.
Eco, you've learned care, courage, and kindness.
And fun. No plants here.
Then we'll make it green again.
Grow, little seeds.
The earth listens to love.
Thank you, baby Eco. We did it together. Wow, it's working. The forest believes in you. The world is beautiful when we love it. Yes, Eco. Keep it safe always. Hello, friends. How did you like today's video? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And make sure to hit the bell icon too.